Hey guys, it's me Elise and I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with another wig encounters video. If you guys check the info section below, I will have all the links and details to everything located there, as well as a discount code. So if you use discount code TWINS, you can save 20% off of your purchase. So you guys go ahead and check them out. So the wig that I have is another one of those little headband wigs, except this one is a little different. This is called the Style Me a Million Ways Versatile Cap Wig, and it's kind of like a headband wig and a drawstring ponytail and a half wig all in one. So you can only imagine all the different hairstyles that you can come up with. I'm going to show you guys a few hairstyles, but this is what the inside of the cap looks like. So shampooed and conditioned this wig off camera just so that we can be able to speed up this process. So here's the wig. It's completely dried, and I wanted to show you guys the front perimeter, how it doesn't have that thick clothy headband as with most headband wigs have. So that was a plus for me. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and try to tame my hair. My hair is completely blown out, and so I'm spraying a little bit of water and putting a little bit of gel up there just so that I can bring some definition to my natural hair. And I already know that a lot of you guys are going to comment saying, oh, you have such pretty long natural hair, when you're going to do some videos. It's coming, girl. I hear you guys say it in pretty much every single video. They're coming. I promise you guys. The start of 2021, we're going to be doing more natural hair videos and kind of slowing down on the wigs. But at the same time, you know, I love my wigs, and I have to give credit to wigs because it's the reason why my hair has grown so long and gotten so thick, and I nursed it back to health. You have to give wigs some credit. I know a lot of you guys like comment, or I'm not going to say you guys, these are people who know absolutely nothing about us, but tend to think that because we wear wigs we don't have any hair. We're just bald headed up underneath the wigs. That is definitely a misconception. If anything, it's the wigs that really did help my hair grow. So you guys continue to keep protective styling and take care of your hair underneath your wigs. You'll have long, gorgeous hair, I promise you. But right now, I'm just going to go ahead and just put on my stocking cap, and we're going to go ahead and slap this wig on. I'm going to show you guys maybe not a million different ways to style this wig, but a few different ways that I was able to style it. The first style is just going to be just a very basic headband wig style. I put the wig on just behind my hairline, and now I'm using my comb just to kind of pick it out so it can grow a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and slap on my first headband, and this is the first look. Okay, so the next style, I'm just going to do a high top knot bun. This is like one of my go-to looks whenever I'm wearing a headband wig. But you guys are going to see me struggling because my hair wasn't braided like I wanted it to be. It was just in that little ponytail, so it kind of bulged out in the back. But we're going to ignore that. This is just a struggle that I'm going with. You know, long hair, don't care, was really a true struggle. So don't pay attention to that bulkiness in the back. But here's the next look. Okay, so the next style, I'm just going to do a pineapple. Like, let's just be real. You cannot have a kinky curly headband wig and not do a pineapple. Are you kidding me? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And the company sent me this little silk scarf, so I'm going to incorporate that into the look. Once again, don't pay any mind to the bulkiness in the back of my wig. Just note that I usually keep my hair in braids, but since y'all wanted to see my hair out, there you go. So let's go ahead and do this pineapple. Okay, so the next style I'm gonna do is a classic ponytail. Like, I remember back in the day, I used to love those little drawstring ponytails. That used to be my thing. Like, when nobody else was wearing them, girl, I had them. So it's been a long time, and this took me way back. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wear this wig as a drawstring ponytail. So I went ahead and I just moved my ponytail up a little bit just because I want the ponytail to kind of sit, kind of more, towards the center of my head opposed to being the very back. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply those combs, and be very careful when you're applying those combs because you don't want it to rip your hair. So I went ahead and I tightened the drawstring, and I like to kind of wrap it around the base of the ponytail just to kind of disguise that small little band you see around the wig. I'm going to fluff it out just a bit. Now this scarf is mine. It didn't come with the wig. But you can incorporate any type of headband or scarf, or I've seen those little braided headbands that look like, actual hair. Anything will work. But yeah, so this is the next look. Okay, so for the last style, well, is this the last style? I think this is the last style, and I might have a bonus style at the very end. I can't really remember. But I'm gonna wear this wig as a full wig. I'm not sure if I even mentioned this to you guys, but you can definitely wear this wig as a full wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and move my ponytail back down, and I'm going to try to get it to look as flat as possible. That's the best I can do. I'm sorry. But yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig back on, and you guys, I pulled it all the way up to my hairline, and I did apply those combs. If I can kind of suggest something to you guys, maybe don't use those combs because you don't want to destroy your hairline, your baby hairs. You don't want to do that. So maybe use bobby pins. That might work easier for you. And I'm just bringing some of that hair forward, and when I have hair on my face, I kind of want it to sit low on my eyes, but it's kind of annoying at the same time. So yeah, this is the way it's looking, and I'm just kind of cutting the sides and the back to kind of give it like that bob type look. And yeah, this is the wig as a full wig. You also have to be very mindful that you see that little band, it's going to show. So I'm going to give you guys a couple of different tips. Now I just pulled some of the hair along the hairline, and I just braided it up, and then you can kind of place it around where that band shows, just to kind of disguise that. But at the same time, when I wore this wig out, I didn't cover the band, and it just kind of looked like one of those little small rubber band headbands. You guys know those little small ones that yeah, it kind of had a look like that. So either way, you can definitely make this style work for you. So yeah, again, you guys check out Wig Encounters. Also use coupon code TWINS if you want to save 20% off of your purchases. Let me know which one was your favorite look, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.